Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use the Remini app. First, go to the Play Store. Here, search for Remini. Now download and install this app on your mobile device. Once it is done, tap on the Open button. Then select Get Started. Now you need to select what brings you to Remini. I'm selecting the fifth option from the given list. Tap on Submit. Here select Accept All and Continue. After that, we have different pricing plans on a weekly and yearly basis. You can select the one you like. Then give it access to the photos. Tap on Allow. After that, tap on AI Photos. Tap on Let's Do It to proceed further. Now you need to set your profile. First, pick your gender. Tap on Continue. Here you need to select 8 selfies of yourself. Here you can see the difference between good photos and bad photos. You'll need to have clear photos of yourself. After that, we have settings where you can access help, general settings, legal settings, and also you can connect your account to social media. Now go back and select a photo from the gallery. Tap on Enhance. Wait for it to edit your photo. After a few seconds, you'll have your edited photo which you can use wherever you want. So that was all about using the Remini app. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.